How to stop receiving messages from someone without blocking them on Messenger. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restrict or mute someone on Messenger to stop receiving messages without blocking them. So let's get started. The first thing that you can do is simply slide the specific chat and then you're going to click on archive. So when you archive their chat, you wouldn't be able to receive any new messages from them and the chat would be shifted to the archive section of Messenger. And the other way by which you can archive a chat is by long pressing on a specific chat and then clicking on archive over here. And you'll be able to view all your archived chats by clicking on menu at the bottom right and then clicking on archive over here, and you'll be able to view all of the archived chats. And the other way of stop receiving messages from a person is by restricting them. So you can restrict by clicking on a specific chat and then clicking on their profile. And after that, you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on restrict. So once you restrict them, you wouldn't be able to receive any new messages from them. And you can, view your restricted messages by clicking on menu over here and then click on settings at the top and then clicking on privacy and safety. So once you are in your privacy and safety, you're going to click on restricted accounts and you'll be able to view all of the restricted accounts over here. And if you wish to unrestrict them, you can simply click on unrestrict over here and select the chat. So that is basically how you can stop receiving messages from someone without blocking them on Messenger. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.